What's up, YouTube? Ryan with the MXG channel back. Sorry about that false alarm this morning. It definitely tricked me. It tricked some other guys as well. If you didn't watch that video this morning, we got a teaser from KTM yesterday. It was actually posted on the KTM Australia Facebook page, and it showed what looked to be an enduro or small adventure bike. You couldn't get a good look at it. We thought we might be getting a new 390 Enduro R or a 490 Adventure, and then this morning KTM comes out and just announces their 690 SMC and their 690 Enduro R. Now that I know what the bike is, and I go back and pause and look at some still shots from that video, I'm like, yeah, that's definitely a 690 SMC. What was I thinking? But I think where we really got off track was that the thumbnail to the video said, you know, something new, and there's nothing new about the 690s, virtually nothing. I mean, they look great. There's a new color scheme, there's an orange seat, there's a new dash that I thought was already out there in some markets. It just tells you RPMs and maybe what gear you're in and that kind of stuff. There's really not much to it. I think maybe the SMC gets a different ABS mode, but I think besides that, guys, it's definitely not something that I'll put a thumbnail on that says something new, which makes you think a new motorcycle. And so yeah, we all kind of got thrown for a loop. The good news is there have been rumors and miscommunications and things going around for months about if the KTM and Husky 690 and 701 Enduros were going to be canceled, and we were only going to have a gas offering for 2023. Looks like KTM just put that to rest, announcing these bikes, which is fantastic. That's great. So hopefully we'll have 3 options for 690s and 701s this year. But they definitely had us thinking we were getting a new bike, and we still may be, but not today. All right, guys, just wanted to update you on what's going on. I'm Ryan with the MXG channel. See you in the next video.